Hi there, welcome back to yet another tutorial. In this particular one, I will be showing you how to use or how to apply the edge operators on your images. And so edge operators are used in image processing within edge detection algorithms. They are discrete differentiation operators. By computing an approximation of the gradient of an image intensity function, you could come up with some result of the edges. And so that's a lot of English, but basically what I'm saying is if you use these particular functions on your images, you'll be able to extract information around the edges of those objects. And so here is an example. But before that, we need to import some libraries, which I already have them somewhere. So I'll just copy it and paste so that we don't waste time typing for long here. And so basically we imported an NumPy, a matplotlib, and then we have filters from which we'll be getting those on Sober that we'll be using in this particular video. And then we have the camera data where we'll be picking the image that we'll be using. I could even try it on my own personal image, but maybe I should just go with what you could also access and test the code elsewhere. And then in the utils we have the compare that will allow us to compare the two results. Okay, so that's really important. Again, what we're covering today is called the edge operators. In the last video I did on using Kenny to detect the edges of object. Please, if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. And so this is the part 2, and this is the last on edge detection. I want to push this up. Okay, and so first let's grab our image. Our image is, we're getting it from camera, which I've already imported. And so now we have our image, and we can even plot that to see what it looks like. So we just plug the image at this point, the initial, and passing the image, and let's give it the color map as gray. And if you run this, then that's the image. So the cameraman image in the dataset provided by Scikit image, that's what we'll be using. Okay, so let's apply the filters right away without no much talk. So we'll do the first one as edge robot. That's one of the operators. It's called robots, edge robots, and that will be from the filters dot the robots, and we're passing our image. Usually it's good to have a smooth image if you want to apply this stuff, and maybe we could just run it now, or we could just do the second one too, which will be edge sober, which is popular one that most of the papers people use for the analysis, sober. And so in filters there's also a sober. It's very good for edge detection. Okay, with that then we could just make a subplot. I already have a command to make the subplot, so I'll just copy it and paste it here so I don't like waste your time typing here. Okay, so to plot them, let me just plot them here. So I'll paste that there, and this one just say figure there, and if I come back here and run that, and if I come here and run this, then we'll have it too. So this is how the robots work, and this is how the sober work. And as I said earlier, the sober look gives you more details along the edges compared to this. So if I to use just compare the intensity values, then you can see that sober does a better job in like reconstructing the edges. And so that's how to use edge operators in Python. Let me know in the comment if you have any question. Until the next video, see you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.